we are going to be using a program called Stellarium. Now, there's several different versions of this. You can get it online, which is one that we're going to use. You can download it as an app on your computer, or you can also get it as an app on your phone. When you click on the link and you go to stellariumweb.org, which is the online version, you will get this little notification that asks you if it can learn where you are. And you want to allow this. This is going to change your sky based on your location on Earth. So the sky looks different if you are in different places, particularly if you're changing latitude. So if you're moving north or south, you have a completely different sky than somebody else that's in a different location. If it doesn't, or maybe it's on automatically, you might have it set in your settings to know for sure where you are. But just to be safe, come up here to the search bar. So you can type in whatever your location is, and it will give you the sky in that location. So we're probably doing this during the day since it's school time. So we have a night sky, or we do not have a night sky. We have a nice daytime sky that we can't see really any stars. We can kind of zoom in and out, and it'll show you where some of those larger objects are, like so Jupiter's down here getting ready to rise or set. I'm not sure. The moon, we've got the sun, Venus, and Mercury. So this is whatever time this is for our location. Whoop. There we go. So we want to come down here. There is a little cloud with a sun. And if you hold your mouse over it, you will see that it says atmosphere. If you click on that, what it does is it basically gets rid of the atmosphere of the Earth, which is why we have such a bright sky right now with our sun. If we click on that and we get rid of it, we can see the stars as they are now. So this gives us our sky. If it weren't so bright, we would be able to see Mars is over here, right? So we can click on Mars. And over here, it'll pop up and give you some information. And you can click on the Wikipedia page and go learn more about Mars if you want. It does the same thing for the stars. If you click on these stars, this is Gaia. This one is, that's a pretty, Capella is a pretty bright star in our sky. So it gives us a lot of information, like the magnitude, how far away it is from us. So 42 light years away, the spectral type, the right ascension and the declination, the azimuth and the altitude, and then the visibility of it for our particular area. It also gives us some extra names and the classifications in different catalogs. And again, the Wikipedia page, you can link to that. So clicking on any particular object in the sky will give you the information, a lot of information about it. The other really big thing is, say you want to go out tonight and look at the sky. So you want to know where the best location is for any particular given time. So if you click on down here, there's this little clock. And if you click on this, you can change the time to, say, midnight-ish. So this is what the sky would look like on May 10th, 2021 at almost midnight. So this gives you an idea of what you can see. You can also change, the year. So what did it look like on the day you were born, right? So you can change the year, you can change the month, you can change the day or the time. If you want to come back to your real time, you click on this little reset button right here, and it'll take you to whatever time it is right now. You can also pause time. So if you want to spend some time and look at exactly this particular time, let's say we want midnight exactly. Go the wrong way. Apparently you can't type in there. Put it down. So if you click on this and we want midnight on so there's midnight on, let's go October 15th, because that's a nice day. So October 15th, 2005 at midnight, this is what the sky would have looked like. So you can change this to pretty much any date and scroll around, look and see what you would have been able to see on that particular night. So those are kind of the main things. There's some other things down here. You can get rid of the landscape, play with these buttons, see what they do for you. So we're going to be using this quite a bit. You'll get to know it really well and all of the little kind of details that are involved in it. But those are kind of the basic things to get you started.